Bone loss does not automatically mean that dental implants are impossible. However, the amount and location of the remaining bone must be assessed before a safe treatment plan can be considered. A dental implant needs appropriate bone support and a healthy biological environment. The dentist must consider bone height, width, density, and distribution, not simply whether bone loss is present. Bone volume may reduce after a tooth has been missing for a long time. Gum disease, infection, previous extractions, and individual anatomy can also affect the available bone. Clinical examination and appropriate imaging are essential. A CBCT scan may help assess the three-dimensional bone volume and its relationship to nearby teeth, nerves, and the sinus. Depending on the findings, the plan may involve bone grafting, sinus augmentation, a different implant position, or another implant approach. In some cases, a different restorative treatment may be safer or more appropriate. Not every patient with bone loss requires grafting, and not every type of bone loss can be managed in the same way. The decision depends on the individual anatomy and the restoration being planned. For international patients, dental photographs and a recent panoramic X-ray can help begin an initial assessment before traveling. Additional imaging may still be required. At Renova Clinic, each implant case is assessed individually. Final suitability, the need for bone grafting, and the complete treatment plan are confirmed only after clinical examination and appropriate imaging.